Hey everyone, today we're checking out our new Sleep and Sport Nasal Dilator.
These nasal strips for snoring are scientifically designed to fit your nose. These nasal strips for breathing will open nasal passages and promote smoother airflow. They also function as effective nose strips for breathing that'll help enhance sleep quality. These nasal strips for sleeping can also effectively alleviate nasal congestion caused by colds, rhinitis, or pet hair. They help maintain smoother airflow throughout the day, providing easier and more restful sleep. You can stay comfortable all night. So, unlike disposable nasal dilators for sleeping or intrusive snoring strips, these nose strips for snoring will use gentle, residue free adhesive. They adhere firmly and they provide comfort while helping relieve snoring all night long. They're reusable and eco friendly. These snore strips are made with odorless silicone and they're reusable Velcro for a firmer fit. The support strips can be reused after washing and air drying, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly solution. The packaging includes 4 breathing strips and 24 adhesive tabs, with an instruction guide for extremely easy use. To go ahead and get started, first clean your nose to remove dirt. Next, place the tabs beside your nose and press gently. Then, place the nasal strip over the tabs, ensuring the Velcro side is against the tabs. And now you're ready to enjoy smoother airflow and snore relief support all night long. These will be a great addition to your daily life, or they can also be a great gift for anyone in your family as well.